Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into this tutorial, we will be taking the Anastasia slash Alicia Edwards eyeshadow palette. We will be taking the blue shade called Dream It. We are going to pack this shade into our crease because we will be doing a cut crease. To help us blend out that blue, we are going to take Life's a Drag palette from Lunar Beauty, and we're going to take the shade Fishy and the shade Kiki to help us blend out that blue. So once all that blue is blended and nice, we are going to take our Anastasia eye primer, where we will now cut our lid to give us a nice base for our next step. Now for our next step, we will be taking from the Anastasia Norvina Pro Pigment palette shade C2, and I'm just going to take that on my finger and pat it all over where we cut the crease. Next up, we're going to be doing a wing liner, so I'm going to take from Huda Beauty the Life liner, and I'm going to take in the liquid side. And I decided to do eyes first because I didn't want any of that fallout to get on the rest of our face. So that way we have a nice clean base ready for foundation. Now time for the fun part. We're going to take our NYX glitter primer and we're going to apply that all over where we have the gold shade from the Norvina palette, trying to avoid going over our black liner, just trying to stay in that little region. And we are going to take the yellow glitter from ColourPop, and I'm going to pop that over wherever we put the glitter primer. And you know, it's Halloween, we gotta make it more dramatic, so I am applying some LUXEBABE lashes, and these are in the style Angel Baby. Use my code down at the bottom to save some money. Now that we got our eyes done, we're gonna take our No Problem primer and apply that all over our face. Followed by our Tarte Face Tape foundation. For bronzer, I'm going to use our Physician Formula Butter Bronzer just to give us a little quick contour. Now that a majority of our look is done, now it's time to tie it all together. We are going to go in again with the Huda Beauty liner, this time using the pencil side, and we're going to line our waterline black, and we are going to smoke it out with that blue shade from the beginning from the Alicia Edwards palette. To help us blend out that blue down there, we are going to take the shade Unicorn Tribe from the same palette, and we're going to help bring that down lower just to make it more clowny. Using the 12 color flash palette that I got off Amazon, I'm going to take the black shade to help draw out the rest of our clown face. And once that is all done, I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Rum, where I'll be using this on my nose and my lips. But before I use it on my lips, I'm going to go back in with that black shade from the Flash palette, and I'm going to outline my mouth. You can exaggerate this more if you want. I wanted to kind of stay in between, but you know, whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to fill it in with the liquid lipstick. So while I was applying the liquid lipstick, my battery died. So I needed to do something in the meantime, so I decided to do something in my hair while my battery charged up. So continuing the look, we are going to go back in with the NYX primer, applying that to my nose and my lips. Once you're ready, go ahead and take any type of red glitter. What I'm using are these two shades by BH Cosmetics, and I'm kind of mixing them together because they both have different effects, but I felt like I needed both of them. And apply them to your nose and your lips to give us a nice glam clown effect. There you guys have it for today's clown glam tutorial. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.